How to fix turn on professional mode Facebook not showing. In this video I show you how to fix turn on professional mode Facebook not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store. Now search for Facebook app. Now update Facebook app if available any update version. After completing update, now go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on manage storage, tap on delete. Now go back to home screen. Now open Facebook app. Now log into your account. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on three dot. You can see that turn on professional mode. I hope that this method fix turn on professional mode Facebook not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Amal's Guide.